Let's say hello to naturally rosy cheeks and glowing skin with the goodness of this beetroot mask. This pink colored fruit comes loaded with vitamins and minerals which make you glow instantaneously. Beetroot is extremely effective for good hair and skin. It's been widely used as a face pack by many cultures. It lends a pinkish hue to your skin. Regular use of this beetroot mask for the face can help give you flawless skin by reducing pores and dark spots.
Hello guys, welcome back on the Foodie. I'm Daisy. Don't you just wish to have that healthy pink glow on your face that saves you from applying unnatural cosmetic product on your skin? Basically, natural pink glow is much better than makeup. So this Karwa Chauth, try this face mask and flaunt your natural pinkish glow.
All you need: 2 teaspoons gram flour, 1 teaspoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon lime juice, is 2 teaspoon beetroot juice. Mix all the ingredients into a smooth paste. Apply it evenly over the face. And leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry. You will notice an immediate pink glow and radiant skin.